So for those of you who follow me on Instagram, you would know that a few days ago I did like a face recognition thing to guess my age, and it said I was above 30, which is not true. I'm not yet 30. So I got a little help from, can you read it? Toly Moly, yeah. And so they sent me this box, and it's supposed to be with things that I'm supposed to start out with on, you know, to take care of my skin. So we're gonna open it up and see what they have here. This is a lot. This is a lot. Okay. Okay. First off,
You're my savior, my desire. 반짝이는 눈빛, 내 가슴 속은 blazing. 심장이 터질 듯해, 너무 빨라진 듯해. 이젠 점점 차오르는 내 게이지. 기다릴 필요는 없어, 이미 준비가 됐어. 난 I can take you high. 이제 시간이 됐어. 저기 높은 곳으로. 황홀경에 빠진 듯이 정신이 온통 너뿐이야. 한참을 헤매던 순간 반짝인 You're like thunder, my lightsaber. Yeah. 나만의 밤을 부른 너를 비추 데리고 가 구름보다 높이로 순간이 따우리도 많이 겪어 Flame to the ground when you're higher. You're the one to leak, I'm in fire. Light me up and I light you brighter. color이 시간이 멈춘 듯이 태워 일부러 꽃을 light up. I can take you high. 이제 시간이 됐어. 저기 높은 곳으로 지금 너를 데려가. Oh baby, 깜짝한 순간에 우린 연결돼 있어.
so I was really curious about how the mask was gonna be. So I decided to try it out. It's really like moisturizing and not a lot of extra liquid inside. Anyway, so let's keep for 10 to 20 minutes. Now how do I spend the next 10 to 20 minutes? Alright, one more thing. I also got a gift. Green tea. Chocolate green tea, Toly Moly. was a mug. To keep me company, I called him my friend. Come join me. Say hi. What do you think?
Ooh.
So, this, the stick, the sun stick, sunscreen stick, but it just says sun stick. So they said use it with your best friend. So this is the tone up.
Tone up.
We'll all become YouTubers today. And this is the waterproof. How are you supposed to use it? You use toner? Or something we're supposed to share together?
I don't know. Do we cheers?
Come there. Mm.
Oh, it's like a cream. Oh, look at yours.
Yeah, it's different. Oh no.
Yeah, maybe you should. Oh, see, it's like a cream.
Mine is oily. It's more of an oil based. It doesn't smell bad.
Yeah, this one. Well, this one tastes. I mean, it smells like sunscreen.
Oh, it smells like sunscreen. So wait, is this not? Or is that the sunscreen and this is like a waterproof?
What you put on top?
Yeah, maybe. Let's see.
Let's see. It's still very white.
Oh, you are very white.
Yeah, I mean. Interesting.
Interesting. Waterproof. Here you go.
Tone up. Time.
I look forward to seeing how it works.
Time.
Okay, now let's get this off. The big reveal.
That's a lot of product on your face.
Really? We're supposed to. This is how Koreans do it, right? I guess. With the pinky up. Well, apart from the fact that it doesn't have the fruity smell that I'm used to, it's not bad. Like, there's a lot on my face right now. But it doesn't feel like there's a lot on my face.
Okay.
Like, if you hadn't said anything, I wouldn't think that there's, I wouldn't know there's anything on my face. So that's good, I guess. But dangerous? I'll just walk out like, oh, there's nothing on my face. Is it better now? Do I still look like a lot?
You just look really like glowy, like.
Ooh.
Like
glow.
very like.
Do people do masks in the morning or at night?
I think most people do it at night.
At night, so you to keep the glow, you sleep and you wake
you
up.
sleep and you wake up and it soaks everything up.
Okay, so let's I put it on the right time. All right, so this is the end of today's unboxing. Till next time.